lucky girl, she got married to a boy like you. She'd kick you out if she ever knew about all the you tell me that you do. Dirty, dirty boy, you know that everyone is talking on the scene. I hear them whispering about the places that you've been, and now you don't know how to keep your business clean. Mommy don't know that he's getting hot at the body shop, doing something unholy. She sat back while she's dropping it, she be popping it. Yeah, she put it down slowly. Oh, she left his kids at home. So we can get that. Mommy don't know that he's getting hot